Alright, she's just been waiting on me since my camera is running out of video. And for some reason, if I just do another video clip, it only lasts for 3 minutes. So I gotta do like 3 minutes every time. A little bit of dangerous to be next to this hole. My plan is to walk all the way down the path I've made. Although you can't really see this path anymore because it got overgrown because I cut it during winter. And it's kind of gone. And it's been a minute since I've been in the woods anyways, so I've kind of forgotten. I'm going to take a peppermint break because I have peppermints in my pocket. Put trash in back in bucket. However. What the heck? Alright, I think it's just a pine cone covered in some other stuff touching me. At least the birds are chirping, because it'd be terrifying if there was nothing chirping. And just as I say that, they quieted down, and it's terrifying. I'm only booking it if my cat starts booking it. I mean, like, she'll probably hiss up. What? It's such overgrown here now. What happened? Can I chop down this tree? Oh yeah, that is 100% rotten. I could probably just break it by stepping, like jumping on it, but the cat's here. Leaf, stop moving. Get out of here. It's pretty dark back there. Well, I gotta keep walking anyway since it's easier to get out. I'll probably stop it pretty fast and early.